I can't wait to get to the new pen tonight. I don't know what you're talking about. You know, the new yellow pen? Okay. Whatever. I think it's gonna be like really exciting because it's like all brand new and awesome and not dirty. Hey Spots, what are you looking at?
I'm looking out to see the full moon.
What's up with the full moon?
You don't know what happens on nights with a full moon?
I heard that there was werehorses.
No. There's a legend about the mystic waterfall and the full moon. You've never heard about it?
No.
Well, maybe I'll tell you about it tonight around the campfire.
Okay.
Alright, well, it's time to eat dinner, so I'll see you all around the campfire tonight.
Alright, I can't wait to hear that story. I've never even heard that there was even a legend with the full moon. Yeah, I haven't either. It's weird. I thought full moon was just when weird people came out. But oh well. We'll learn tonight. Well, man, this grass is just, I don't know, it's just so good. I would have to agree with you on that, even though it's like crazy tall. I need to cut this grass.
I'll agree with you guys on it being tall. There's enough grass out here to eat for weeks.
I would have to agree with you. Alright, is everybody full? Because I'm ready to go back.
I know I'm full.
I'm full too.
Me too.
I'm stuffed, man. Yeah, well, it's almost time for storytelling anyway, so we better get back.
Alright, I'm making the campfire tonight.
Okay.
Alright, we'll see you all back at camp.
Okay. Bye. Oh my god, wasn't that grass so great? Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, it's just like, I don't even know, it's just like the best grass ever. Yeah, well, enough talk about grass. I want to hear this so-called legend that I've never heard before.
Do you guys really want to hear the legend?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Now you're making me feel suspicious about myself.
Well, the legend goes that on a full moon, that the mystic waterfall turns very foggy and very mystic looking. And if you drink the water from the fall, that you turn into a wolf. Some legend calls it a werehorse.
Yes, I'm right.
Yes, you were partially right. But there's no part of a horse left. It turns into a full-fledged wolf. And legend has it, depending on how much water you drink, is how long you stay a wolf.
So if like you drink like a sip of it, you only stay a wolf for like a day? And then, or is it like if you drink a sip, you stay it like a year?
I don't know. I've never drank the water. I've made it to the mystic waterfall, but I've never, ever taken a drink of the water.
This sounds lame. Shush. This is not lame.
Well, it's true. I've heard one horse drank water for almost 20 minutes, and he was never to be seen again after he turned into a wolf. So take it for what you want. I know the legend's true. I've seen the mystic waterfall on a full moon, and it is a freaky sight.
I don't believe this. Yeah, this is like just lame. If you guys think it's so lame, then why don't you go find it out yourself? Hey, that's a good idea. That is a good idea.
Well, good luck to you horses if you go. And whatever you do, don't drink the water.
Hey, Stormy. Hey, Ginger. Hey, Flame, what do you want? Well, I was just wondering if you guys wanted to go find the mystical or misty, I forgot what it's called. Mystical waterfalls? I think that's it. Well, that would be a long trip. Yeah, I know, but it would be kind of fun. I mean, probably isn't true anyways, but it doesn't really matter. I don't know. It seems like it's a dangerous trip. Oh, come on, Ginger. Why are you so afraid of everything? I don't know. Fine, I'll go. Okay, does that make you happy? Yes, actually, it does. Fine. When do you want to go? How about this afternoon? How does that sound, Stormy? Sure. Why are you in the storage room anyways? 'Cause it's quiet in here. There's no, noises. Do you have a problem with that? No? Okay, well, I guess we're going this afternoon. I guess I'll see you guys around. Okay. Better ensure my safety, Ginger. I promise you I will. Guys, are we there yet? I have no clue. What do you think I know? I'm not a GPS. Just wondering. Well, it's nearly sunset. Don't you think we should rest? I'm not tired. Okay then. We have a long way to go, it looks like, until we reach anything. Then what can I do now? Are you sure we should keep going? I guess. Do you hear something? No. Wait. Yeah, I kind of do. Maybe we're close. Man, what's all this smoke? Guys? What? I think we're here. But I don't even see it. Through all this smoke, I don't even see it. Oh, maybe if we get closer, we can actually see it. Oh my god, I see it. Oh my goodness, we're actually here. It's true. Well, I bet you the drinking water part is turning into a werehorse thing. Probably ain't true. Probably just some waterfall that's really misty. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go take a closer look. you need to come up here. It's so cool. Okay, alright, we're coming, we're coming. Whoa. Look at that. What are you guys complaining about? Did you guys wait it for me? Wow. Yeah, that is just awesome. Wow. I never knew a waterfall could mist so much. I know, right? I want to go to the top. I don't know how we do that, but okay, I guess. You want to try actually to the top. Well, not exactly the top for me. I'm at the bottom. Well, we made it up here. Yeah, I guess. Hey guys, what? I am gonna drink the water. Oh, you better not. Yeah, you better not drink that water, dude. Are you guys chickens? I'm gonna drink it. No, you better not. I'm gonna drink it. Dude, you shouldn't have drank that in the first place. Well, it's not like anything's happening. Duh. You know what? I don't even know. You shouldn't have drank that in the first place. Guys, this water is just awesome. You better come over here and drink it. No, I ain't drinking that. Disgusting. Spring water. Well, nothing's happening to me, so I really don't think it's true. Guys, I'm feeling weird. What's going on? Man, it's smoking like crazy. What's happening? Yeah. Getting like engulfed in this steam. I don't know what's happening, but I'm not liking it at all. Guys, I don't feel good. Where are you? I can't see you either. Oh my goodness. Okay, I cannot see you guys at all. Where are you?